Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Refrigerator Evaporator Fan Motor in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdrivers and a putty knife. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new Refrigerator Evaporator Fan Motor. This evaporator fan motor is a part of the evaporator cover assembly. It's located at the back of the cover assembly inside of the fresh wood compartment. If you can hear noise coming from the back of the evaporator cover or the temperature inside the compartment is getting too warm or both, check the refrigerator evaporator fan motor and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. Next, I'm going to remove both vegetable drawers, pulling straight out, lifting up, and sliding out. Same thing here. Next, I'm going to remove the shelves and lift up and release that rear hooks. And same thing here. And now I'm going to remove these two. To remove the vegetable drawer cover, we need to press simultaneously two buttons here on the sides. That's like locking tabs. Push it in and lift up. To release it. Now we can slide it out. To remove the rear panel, we need to take out 1, 2, 3, and 4 Phillips screws. For that purpose, I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. And we're going to start taking them out. Now I'm going to remove this central shelf support, lift it up and take it out. They are marking the locking tabs behind the evaporator cover panel. So to open it, we need to use the putty knife, and we're going to insert it right where the arrows are and push it in. And go to the right side. And it's open. Now I'm going to pull it from the bottom. And it comes out. Do not go far with it because we need to unplug first the harness at the back here. We need to unplug this and this one, and the locking tab is on the bottom and it's here on the side. So I'm going to start with the bottom one, and I'm going to take out the top one. And now we can remove this cover assembly. Let's place this beautiful evaporator cover assembly on the table, and so now we're going to free this yellow harness. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. Going to open it slightly, that clip, and pull out this. We're going to do some sliding here. Okay, we're going to put it aside. Okay, Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to take out these 4 screws that holding that mounting plate. And now I'm going to lift off the plate with the fan. This is the old refrigerator evaporator fan motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. Okay, so this is a new fan with a mounting plate. We're gonna drop it in. The holes should be matching, and I'm gonna secure it with 4 Phillips screws. All right, I'm gonna use the Phillips screwdriver, gonna tighten them all. And I'm gonna put the harness around here, slide it in, and I'm gonna go here, and loop it, and I'm gonna go back here, and I'm gonna loop this one. So we're doing it to make sure that nothing is going to get into the blade in time. Now I'm going to install it back into the fridge. Alright, so we're going to plug in those 2 plugs first. The yellow, the blue plug goes on the top, and the white plug with the 3 wires goes at the bottom. And turn the panel around and install it. The top goes in first. I'm going to place it into this cutout and then bring it in, and we're going to press in the sides so the tabs will lock on both sides. Now I'm going to install this central rail shelf support. Now I'm going to secure this panel with 4 screws. Just so you know, there's 2 ones going on the top and the bottom of the rail. They are much longer than the other 2. And now I'm going to place this 2 shorter ones. Now I'm going to install the vegetable drawer cover. Bring it in, and we're going to slide it back, push it all the way, press it down, and then we're going to lock it at here with the 2 side locking tabs. I'm going to bring it up and press it down. Now we're going to install this bottom row shelves in. The hooks at the back goes into the cutouts, and the one next to it. And the top row. Next would be the drawers. I'm going to slide it in slightly on the side and then in, and I can slide it in. Same thing here, slightly on the side, and then we can slide it in. And now when we're done, we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by appliancepartspros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.